Once again, welcome to King's Auto Garage. Today we have a Range Rover Sport Autography 2015 model. The customer have a problem with the AC. The AC is not cooling well, and my team is inspected the AC system, and we found that the AC gas is very low. My technician is refilled the AC gas to the recommended level, and after some time we recovered the AC gas from the line. Recovered gas quantity is less than the recommended level, and we confirmed that there is a leakage in the AC line. There are three methods to find out the leakage. First one is by using a ultraviolet light. By using this light, we can find out the external leakage. Check the external AC lines by using this light. If there is any external leakage, that area will glow up because there is a fluorescent material is along with the AC gas. For example, this ring have a fluorescent coat. Let's see. The fluorescent material is glowing up in this light. The second method by using a special tool. This is a special tool called the refrigerant leak detector. The detector contains a sensor that is sensitive to the chemical compounds found in refrigerants. When the device is activated and brought close to the potential leak site, the sensor analyzes the air for refrigerant gases. Third one is sniffing method. This is a commonly used technique to find the AC gas leakage. After the sniffing test, we confirm that the gas is leaking through the evaporator. This is the evaporator and this is the expansion valve. You can see that the fins are damaged. Due to this, the AC gas leaking through this. Okay, so we have to replace these both parts. In order to access the evaporator, need to disassemble parts of the dashboard. To get access to the HVAC system, we have to remove the central console, glow box and the other components. We installed the new evaporator and everything is perfect now. Visit us King's Auto Garage.